Meaning of glassful.
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 Glassful. Glassful is a noun that refers to the amount of liquid that fills a glass. The exact volume can vary depending on the size and shape of the glass, but typically ranges from 4 to 12 ounces. This measurement is commonly used in recipes and drink orders, as well as in medical settings for dosages of medications. A glassful can also refer to the act of filling a glass with a particular liquid. Overall, glassful is a simple yet important term that helps us accurately measure and manage the amount of liquids we consume.